Okay, I'm inside the Microsoft Access. All right, I'm using a slightly older version, but the process is very much the same. I don't need a table actually, so I can get rid of this. Okay, because we are going to work with our form. Okay, now of course, I want to do it for data entry, for instance, later on, or any particular type of form. I can use the form design. So now I have this form. Okay, so now I have this particular form that I can make use of. All right, so here is uh, my form itself. Okay, and of course you have all your design. We are going to look at option, but most of the time student will try to use this one over here, which is says option button. Right, this is not the best way to work because it's very troublesome. Right. Instead, use this, the option group. So I'm going to click the option group and I'm going to, let's say, put it here. So it will create a frame where I can give the option, or I can actually give the option. So maybe I can say active, or inactive, or something like this. All right, so it should create two options for me, active and inactive. Do I want to have a default choice? Well, maybe if I want, I will say, okay, I want a default of inactive, or I do not want any at all. So which means the user have to choose one. All right. So then I give it a value. So maybe active is a one, and maybe okay, inactive is a zero. Right. Just a value. Right. So later on I can use it. All right. Then you will see that there's a sample here already. Active, inactive, of course, the frame is called frame zero, so it's just a sample. All right. I'm going to leave it as option button because that's what we want to do. But I can also decide what view. See, what view do I actually want this? So let's say, oh, okay, I want it to be raised. Okay, and do I want to give it a name for this particular group? So let's say account type. All right. Okay, so maybe a little bit of adjustment. All right, and let's have a look at this. So now I have an account type, and I got two of these, but they are not chosen. All right, they're not chosen. Okay, I can click one of it, but the most important thing is you can only choose one. So if you click the others, all right, they will be gone. Okay, only one choice. Okay, so you have to check that for your option. Okay, so hopefully this will help you in dealing with the option button. All right, on the next clip, we will tie this option to some data which is inside your table or inside your database.